Yo, welcome back to Burberry.
Welcome back to Suck Your Mother, nigga.
Welcome back to
Fucking
Sit
don't
Down.
touch me, nigga. Don't touch me,
Bro,
nigga.
sit down.
Fucking don't touch me, bro.
Nigga.
Nigga been going all month when it come with mad energy.
Don't touch me,
Hey, bro.
nigga.
Niggas don't do a vid in 27 days. What's today's date?
Shut up. Today's the shut the
Niggas
fuck
do a
up.
vid in 25 days and come here with mad energy.
Shut up.
Tell a nigga to come on and do some vids. Yo, welcome back to Burberry. Actually, boy, Bjorn from Burberry the spot. Today, we're acting with boy Cox in that new video, acting like Bobby Schmurda, the record label, dancing and getting jiggy and shit. You know, it's not Bobby with that too. And I got that, I got the fool, I got that fool, I got the bow. And then you know, this fool. You know, Smoney. And pass out, Freaky. She give me next.
What? No, bro.
Ready for something in your butt.
First started making music, I just used to
Make your girl nut.
Yo, why? Yo.
Roger, you not put something in your butt, make you nut.
No.
He just gonna condone that. He not even
My
defending
first
himself.
time rapping, nigga. You got him study. 2 by 2, okay, go back. 4 by, oh, you like that? Okay. Oh,
Yeah, I seen that on TikTok.
Well,
He posted that.
it all started 1 month ago.
I seen
How
it.
the
Shattered.
fuck did that shit
He
just
was
break?
standing on it. He was standing on it.
That was
Then
crazy.
you touch it, got flat. Like really
Shatter
fast.
is crazy.
And he shattered.
Bro, he just touched it with his finger,
He
bro.
was standing on it before that.
But
That
shatter
ain't
is crazy.
shit.
Bust down, Rollie, Avalanche, yeah, my own average. This my first time rapping.
Bust
Bust down, Rollie, Avalanche. Hold on. Bust down, Rollie, Avalanche. Bust down, Rollie, Avalanche. Bust down, Rollie, Avalanche.
Any beat though.
I think it's time to retire that.
They said the world finna get.
Bro, not even 18 no more.
Nigga said, bro, 3 not 18 no more.
Alright, guys, so you probably wondering why I'm dressed like this right now. We're gonna have.
Rip, though,
That
my
badass
nigga.
fit.
That badass suit.
You feel what I'm saying? Probably like what, 2 months ago? 2 months ago, I went to Micro Center and somebody in the parking lot came to me out of nowhere and said that I look familiar and stuff like that. His name is She Toro. Apparently, like, he's a big A&R for like music and stuff like that, and he's apparently looking for new talent. No, man, Mr. Beast. Yeah. Glad to meet you, Mr. Beast. No, you know
Bro,
who I am?
yeah. He went up to him.
You got, who are you? I'm a producer, a music producer. That's what I'm saying. People refer to you as Mr. Beast. If I didn't need to record something, I could pull up, right? Let me give you my phone. Yeah. My name to you right down. Okay. Hi, yeah, right. And I'm meeting up with him today. He just pulled up. Bro, he's on his way right now. I'm about to see where he's at. What's going on, my man? It's been like a few months, ain't it?
It's not back.
What's going on, man? You feel what I'm saying? Good to see you, bro. You feel what I'm saying? I'm doing like a little
back,
documentary
in the back.
vlog, a little vlog and stuff like that. This car's nice and stuff, man. Yeah. I've been trying to get back to you, but I've been busy flying back and forth. You feel what I'm saying? Like just working on new music and things like that. You feel what I'm saying? So I just want to make sure that you was in the loop still and stuff like that. So, we can go back to the studio.
Nigga, what's rapper dressed like that?
Badass rap.
In the 60s, nigga? In the 80s, nigga? Nigga has on regular shades. It should not be like
North Carolina, shit
it's,
like that.
it's not for like cool shit, it's just like regular glasses with his hat to the back.
That's how Charlotte niggas dress.
Like that.
Yeah.
Crazy, you know what I'm saying?
I'm saying.
Yeah, feel me? I've been making a lot of hits. So, but it's crazy how I ran into you. Like we just in Micro
No,
Center.
not a lot. He done like a rapper though.
Like a rapper,
He
but
done like a rapper though. I can't
One
lie.
of them down south rappers.
Like that. Yeah, I go by. I told you my rap name. And
Like
stuff.
some Atlanta nigga. He like from Atlanta. He like from Atlanta.
Mr. Beast. So like that's what I go by, Mr. Beast, because I'm too beastie and stuff like that. You know, I gotta show you something. I got some.
He called him Mr. Beast before, and I ain't go by Mr. Beast. What the
My
fuck?
engineer, he got everything in the computer. Yeah, so like you feel what I'm saying? Like I be going crazy in that shit and shit like that. What project you say you worked on before?
I produced
UTK? Okay. Like Flavor Flav.
Flavor Flav got it. Flavor Flav got it.
Yeah, I'm cool with Lil Baby. You ever heard of him?
I've been out for a while.
Okay, Samir Woods, that's Lil Uzi Vert. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, so how the nigga is gonna try to sign niggas and he don't know who Lil Baby is? That's the biggest nigga in Atlanta.
The biggest nigga in Atlanta.
And he don't know who that is.
Lil
He's
Nas
a bad producer.
He said, I haven't been doing this for. I ain't doing
I'm
this
in
for.
Atlanta. Oh, this my. Oh, let me talk to you. Hey, yo, Davis, pull up. Yo.
Wait, my son pull up in a rave?
This my. I'm in Atlanta. Oh, this my. Oh, let me talk to you. Hey, yo, Davis.
My son pulled up in a
Those are
Wraith.
rolls though. I don't know if it's Wraith though.
He pulled up in a Rolls Royce though. Some old shit, some 2012 shit.
Pull up, yo.
Big
So
money,
right now,
that
this
shit's still
my
600K.
manager right here. He manages my music and stuff like that. Hey, this is She Toro. He's into music and stuff like
That's
that. So like
nice
right now, he's looking for some talent and
That's
shit.
his mans.
It's a cool vibe. I
Mans.
roll with
It's
him.
really his mans though.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
his man's, not his manager. That's his
How we
manager.
doing shit?
My artist is very versatile. He can do it all. He
Yeah.
can do it all for sure. I was just in San Diego a couple of weeks ago.
Oh really? You do like it out in LA? Like
This
it's cool?
drop top Rolls
I
Royce.
don't really like that fake shit. Like I feel like
Drop
it's
top
too
Rolls Royce is
artificial
crazy.
over there and shit. Like I just want to rap and do what I love. You feel what I'm saying? Like niggas be fake out there. She Toro.
Okay, now I'm on a different level. Man.
Oh, I almost forgot. Gotta talk chain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta get your email and things like that.
Man, get all that, bro. I don't even. Bro.
Yo, no, he not like a rapper though. This nigga like a rapper, bro.
Bro, that's anything is dressed,
But
bro.
they like Smooth out.
Yo.
Nah, he do look like Smooth out.
Contracts, bro. I don't even read contracts. Like I'm just ready to just get this going. You know what
You
I'm
look like Smooth out for a fact.
He like Smooth
saying?
out.
Like every time, like I write, bro. Like you know, the
nah,
writers
bro,
pop,
me,
like,
you gotta
I mean,
chill,
everybody
bro.
block.
You gotta
Like,
chill, bro.
Niggas are skinny
that's
gunner.
in my head.
Yo, nah, bro.
Skinny gunner.
Smooth
Hear me
out.
coming?
We can't lie, right there he like Smooth out, bro. Like that, the way he was standing is a demeanor. Give me like Smooth out demeanor.
Oh, the nigga said smooth out, bro.
Hey, Mac. More like Henry Whack. I'm going nice and steady. I'm looking too ready. When I get the meatballs, I'll put a can with spaghetti. I'm too nice. I drive foreign cars. I don't really got no flaws. What's my favorite food? Coleslaw. She told
Nigga said yes.
TikTok, you know what I'm saying? We outside, man. Hey,
Look
I
how
told
they
y'all
got
to
ready
be
for the
tough.
video. Hold on.
TikTok, you know what I'm saying? We outside, man. Hey, I told y'all
Why
to
is
be no
his mask on
contacts,
his
man.
neck?
So I'm,
Like, why is his mask covering his throat?
if you gave me this big opportunity, I'm
mask
ready.
on.
She told you heard. You said you can write.
Like, I hate when niggas wear the mask like it's an accessory. Like, why niggas be having their mask under their
Under
chin
their
and
chin,
shit?
like, take that
Like,
shit
bro,
the
just
fuck
take it
off.
off.
Take
It's
that
not an
shit off,
accessory.
man.
It's for safety. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, I be doing it in the gym, bro. That's it.
Oh no. I don't need no ghost writer.
No, write tracks, not words.
Oh, I want to say, cause you know I ain't,
No, write
you know,
some music for you.
I ain't Cardi B. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, I didn't know you had to eat like that.
Hold up.
Whoa, I didn't know you had to eat like that. She told her, you know.
Yo.
Let me freestyle for you real
Nigga
quick,
name is
alright?
shit.
I know you're real. You know what I'm
Nigga
saying?
name is She Toro. Nigga name is shit.
Bust that ROLLIE avalanche, get my old bitch average. This my first time rapping it. I might go retarded shit. Bentley coupe, I'm dashing.
He in his face,
my
bro.
money, I'm tall as shit. Told him, don't you doubt the kid. Told him, don't you. I'm in the 30 on 30 on 30. When I'm in the streets, I stay too sturdy. How you fuck with that? How you fuck with the freestyle?
Man, do go to the
Bro,
Yo,
that
that
shit,
was good,
dude,
bro.
that shit go with every. That's
Oh,
Lil
That's
Yachty.
Yachty!
That's not Lil Yachty.
Oh, that's not
Yo, I thought that was Lil
That's
Yachty.
Yachty.
Nigga got my hype, bro. Goddamn. Nah, I swear to God, that was Lil Yachty too, but okay.
Nah, your reaction was calm,
Right
bro.
here. You looking for new talent?
Nah,
I told him I
you
was
come
lucky.
in.
Real quick, it's like 1 minute.
No.
1 minute, bro.
I gotta get out of here.
You're gonna get me in trouble. That's
Yeah. Hear me, She Toro. Pull up on the block, go crazy, on the motherfucking go crazy. Got the shotgun, blah, and I go lazy, and I get the gun. I said, I know what you doing, nigga, and I go with that motherfucking trigger, cause I go so crazy, nigga, and I go back to the motherfucking rap, and I go back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull up on you like I am motherfucking.
Yo, I don't know how this nigga is looking at him and just like smiling, like, bro,
laughing.
how you not laughing, bro?
On camera, bro.
Yeah,
okay.
you will
Nigga
die,
said okay.
Spider-Man. You will die, Spider-Man. I cannot go back to the
Nigga
flow
walked out on him.
no more. You can't go, and I say, She
still
Toro, and I say, go to the old times. She say, hold on, let's go.
I'll make some tracks for you, okay?
Bro, come on, bro, please.
Hey, and ask him for my credits.
You clout chasing?
So yeah.
You clout chasing?
I'll talk to you.
Are you clout chasing? I didn't get the contract, bro. All right, chat. So let me give y'all the rundown real quick. You feel what I'm saying?
Nigga said, "All
I
right,
know
chat."
how I left Bust Out ROLLIE average.
Chat is crazy.
Yeah, my always average. Back in 2021, but we have some good news, and it's too good to pass up, man. I ain't gonna lie, it's in the middle of the night, and I had a record label hit me up on January 2nd. They said, "What's up, Kai? Wanted to reach out and see if you thought about pursuing a music career seriously. They said, would love to jump on a call and learn more if you're down. Let me know what works for you." Now, this all happened because y'all seen the clip with She Toro, right? I thought he didn't like it. He texted me and said, "Thank you for meeting with me today. I'm looking forward to share some things that may benefit your ambition in the music biz." And then this randomly popped up. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna lie, man. We've been talking for the past 2 weeks. He been trying to find a night, find a time to get available. He texted me, "Free all day today. If you got a minute, let's make some cash. Hit me."
What?
He sent me his number.
Make some cash.
I'm about to call him right now.
What does that mean? You scamming?
Yeah. How you doing, man?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing great, man. You feel what I'm saying? Like, came across your email, just was interested in what you had to say.
Yeah, man. I appreciate you hitting me back, dude. I mean,
Yeah,
honestly,
man.
I came across.
Come on,
I know
dude.
I'm like a year later, so I came across your guys' cipher.
Yeah.
I was watching through it, and I heard your verse, and I was just like,
Like,
man, like
it's good. It's some good stuff.
it's fucking good. Exactly.
I hate niggas. Niggas said it's good. Yeah,
I give it to him though.
You cracked me up as I went through like your TikTok, and I saw you like use that verse in different videos, and
Yeah, I got the BUSSDOWN ROLLIE Avalanche. Yeah, my over Avalanche.
But you're smart because it's a good verse, but it's also like you get people talking because they're like, man, this dude they only got this verse. Like he and it's like it just becomes people love it, you know, and it becomes a talking point.
Wait, so are you like I see it said Republic Records.
One thing about these niggas, they will sign you off one song.
No, they're not.
They will sign you off one song just so they could take all your shit from you. Like they were like, "No, we buy that song for you for $25,000. You pay $25,000 for the song." Then I know your shit started busting because they put mad promo. And now your shit made $300K, and you paid $25,000 on your shit. Then you get signed. They take all your everything. So now you ain't making 10% on your song. And now you ain't making no money. You just a lit nigga with no money because they take all your money. So that's, you know what I'm saying, it's tough. They be gassing niggas.
Record label.
Yes, sir.
I'm ready to sign, bro. Come on, bro. I'm ready to sign, bro. Let's go. Let's do it.
Rapper wise, who would you like to compare yourself to? Like, who would you want to be like?
Bro, literally, I always want to be like Samir Woods, bro.
Like who?
Oh, Lil Uzi Vert.
Samir Woods, that's his name.
Yeah, bro. I want to be like Uzi, bro. Come on, bro. Hey, how about this, bro? Do you travel to Atlanta at all?
I do a little bit.
Hey, how about we set up like a conference meeting where some people in the team could be here or in New York, and like let me display some of my music for you guys in like an office or something. You know what I'm saying? Like let me perform for you guys real quick. I got 3 songs in the stash that I really want to show you guys, and like we can set it up in New York or something. Get some of your people, and I'll come out there.
When are you gonna be out here next?
I don't know, bro, but we can set it up, bro. Like you guys come over here if you guys want to.
I don't know, bro.
Okay, set it up. We didn't be in Atlanta for too long. We start saying,
bro.
Let's set something up in like the next week or so.
All right, let's do it, bro.
All right, cool. And I can hit you on this number at any point?
Any point, my brother.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, so if we do this and stuff like that, can I get a 4x4 land truck on the gas?
Hey, man. Whatever. You got it.
And I can get a BUSSDOWN ROLLIE Avalanche?
I mean, yes, sir.
Okay, all right, yeah. Say no more.
You could take your advance and get a BUSSDOWN ROLLIE. You could get 2 BUSSDOWN ROLLIEs.
Oh, yes. Oh, you say no more.
That's how they gas you. They tell you to spend your advance money. Do not spend your advance money on no fucking.
Spend your advance money.
On no fucking chains and shit.
That's that shit back in your
That's how you go broke.
That
They try to gas them.
I'm excited.
Nice to meet you too. I'm excited too.
They be gassing niggas out here to record industry. Gassing niggas.
Let's fucking go. I'm about to be the next superstar. I told y'all niggas, bro. I told y'all. Superstar.
Nah, Chris is nutted.
That's NYC Chris.
I got know who that is.
Told y'all niggas, bro. I told y'all, bro. Let's go 2020 fucking 2. We gonna do this motherfucker right. Alright, y'all. We are at the location where we had to meet up for a conference meeting. As you guys seen in the phone call, that's initially what they wanted to do. I ain't gonna lie. If you see the fit, you see the fit. If you know what I'm going for, you know what I'm going for. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? How you doing? I'm about to sign that deal. I want to sign the deal.
She didn't give a fuck.
Oh yeah. How you doing? Nice to meet you, man. Good grip, right?
The same height.
This is fancy. I ain't gonna lie. I can do this. You know what I'm saying? I can do this, bro. Yeah, for sure, bro. I could really get into this like rapping stuff for real. Like, so wait, hold on. So like what we doing? Like, is it like because I'm throwing out like a meeting?
Yes, I'm gonna introduce you to some of my colleagues.
Yeah.
Just see what you got and see what they're not doing.
Yeah, hopefully I'm better than Bobby Shmurda. You feel what I'm saying? Hopefully I'm better with Bobby Shmurda. Oh, man, the whole gang in. Good. We're good. Damn, we're good.
Niggas definitely
That ass don't know how to give a dap. Look. He thought he was giving him a handshake.
Them niggas are so awkward. Look at them.
What's good? Man, you look good, bro. You know what I'm saying? How you doing, man?
Yeah, he tried.
Yeah, it was good, boy. Glad y'all had me.
Okay, he gave a good dap.
Make myself comfortable. Okay, hold on. Let me make myself out. Your mom? Okay. I appreciate y'all for having me and stuff like that. So y'all got speakers in here? Okay. I'm gonna just hook up my phone to it. We're gonna get to this thing. So y'all mind if I set up another camera to have like a nice view of what's going on? Is that fine? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so I ain't gonna lie, y'all. The song I wanna presentate for y'all today is called BUSSDOWN, ROLLIE, AVALANCHE.
Long ass name.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck that ROLLIE, AVALANCHE. You feel what I'm saying? That's kind of my thing. But at the same time, it's like I'm really ready to like drop this and do stuff. But I was on the phone with one of y'all mans, and he was like, if things go good, y'all can give me like 2 BUSSDOWN ROLLIE AVALANCHEs. Is that true? Like, am I able to do that? And you know what's so crazy? This song could go with any beat. It literally could go with any beat, so you won't even have to worry about what beat to choose or what beat to not choose. You feel what I'm saying? Oh shit, wrong song. Whose song is that? You said what? Okay, so the song originally started with a group I was with, A&P, and I had my part, and when I wrote my part, like it was doing good. You feel what I'm saying? But then after it did even better. So I was like, might as well throw it on track. You feel what I'm saying? So I ain't playing right now, man. Yeah, that's not me. That's my man. That's my man. I'm about to come in. I'm about to come in. BUSSDOWN ROLLIE AVALANCHE. Yeah, my old bitch average. This my first time rapping it. I might go retarded shit. Bentley coupe, I'm dashing it. Spending my money on taller shit. Told them don't you doubt the kid. Told them don't you doubt the kid. I went up 30 on 30 on 30. When I'm in the streets, I stay too sturdy. 2x2, I can't go fast. 4x4 lane chuck on the gas. I'm only 18, you a big king. Before 18, I see things feeling like a big one with 6 rings on me.
That nigga's 20 now, by the way.
16.
Okay, dude.
Oh, you like that? Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Because you standing on it. It's because you was standing on it.
Bro, I'm so sorry. It has to be fire if that's...
Nah, he definitely gonna make it.
I am so sorry. I did not mean to break that tape. I did not mean to break that, bro. Bro, you looking red, bro. If y'all give me the...
He is
I did not mean to break that tape.
Look at him,
bro. But you looking red, bro. If y'all give me to, you know... Damn, I ain't gonna lie, this is crazy, bro. But I thought I was Bobby, bro.
Nigga is sitting on glass, gang.
Yo, nah, this is crazy, bro. Not gonna sue me, right?
He kind of look like Troy.
Not gonna sue me, right? Alright. My sister's gonna be pissed. Oh my gosh.
What you said? He says accountant?
Be pissed. My sister's gonna be pissed.
Oh, his assistant.
Oh my gosh. Yo, Bo. What you doing? Okay. Yo, what's it called? Bro, I need some advice, bro.
That's Lil Yachty.
Bro, I've been saying...
Nigga really had Lil Yachty. Nigga really thought it was Lil Yachty. He actually had Lil Yachty on it in the video.
Like, that's it.
I had this verse that I made in 2019, and I've been sticking with that verse for 3 years.
Right.
I need help.
What can you help with?
With coming up with a new verse.
Gonna get likes for a new verse.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you a deal. Bro, you need contracts, bro. I don't know where you going. This is not our cell, bro. This is, when did I get out of here? I don't know, bro. That just God told us to stay, bro. No, look, I'm in trouble, bro.
I'm in trouble, bro.
Bro, you making up excuses, bro.
Nigga said I'm in trouble, bro. Nigga, why would he be in trouble? Why would he be in trouble?
Nigga met an old nigga in the parking lot. Now he's taking him everywhere.
Hope y'all enjoyed the video.
Good video, Kai. Okay.
Oaks.
Okay.